Kunenhlase yelethemba levuselelekile kubantu bakuleli kuleli viki lesikulo ikakhulu elutsabeni lithinta kulisana COVID-19. Nyalo leli vili matasatasa litilungiselela ukuqala lo msebenzi wokugoma abantu. Esigabeni sesibili sekugoma kulinzeleke ukuthi lokungena nokugonya abantu abadigide etilishumi-nesithupha lekufaka ekhadi itisebenti letenta imisebenzi lebalulekile labaphila nekugula lokungalapheki nelisebakhulile. Nyalo ke lenhlangano lengekho ngaphasi kwelokhwapha la hulumende iHealthy Living Alliance lekungiyo liyagugudela kukhushula kwenzela yashukela ithi ngiso sikhathi lesikahle lesi ukuthi kukhushulwe inzela yashukela.
51% of South Africans die from non-communicable diseases combined. So that is, your diabetes, your hypertension, so combined. So it's a leading cause of death. So I think this issue has not been in the national agenda politically, socially, in terms of the public as well.
Mbalati uthi le mali yalenzela angeke nje isite kuphela ukuthi abantu badle ngendlela lenempilo kepha ingabuye isite nasetintweni etinyenti kulomkhakha wetempilo. Lenhlangano ithi ihlela kumkhathi phakathi sodayo kulekomiti leParliament nelibukene netempilo.
We can do, a very simple analysis in terms of all even other maybe salaries for community healthcare workers who are in the front line of tackling the COVID-19. So we're going to have a very detailed plan. We're going to have a detailed submission to the portfolio committee as well as Treasury to ensure that we can actually relook and HEALA is actually pushing for that increase.
Emalunga emphakathi nawo awuphawulile ngekufika kwalemijovo yokugoma kayina iphambo tendwa ngilenhlangano.
It's only fair that everybody takes it. We have to get back to our normal lives. If it's there as an option, we have to take it.
Taxpayers can't keep on saving the government. It's just not fair.
Why do they have to increase the taxes? We are already paying taxes. Where's the money going?
Kulesigaba sekuqala sekugoma kutawubekwa embili tisebenti tempilo nebanakekeli. Indvuna yetiko letempilo Dr. Zweli Mkhize uthi lokhu ngenani 67% wesive sakuleli kumele sithole kugonywa kude kunqotshwe kusabalala kwaleli gciwane.